I gotta call Lamb Chop for this. This is way too hard.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, you are so bad. Oh, Vince is calling. I wonder what he wants.
Hi, Vince. How are you?
Can't complain, Lamb Chop. How's it going with you?
Not so bad. What's up?
Did you hear about this cool online event that the library is doing?
No, what's that?
I think it's called Family Night, a puppet extravaganza. It looks like they're doing it through Zoom, but all the event details are in French. Could you help translate them for me?
Bien sûr. What does it say?
Okay, get ready. Spectacle des marionnettes, jeu de culture, générale et d'autres activités,
Right, so I think you mean un spectacle de marionnettes avec Mike d'Applefun Puppetry, un jeu de culture générale avec Root et des activités pour te montrer comment créer ton propre spectacle de marionnettes.
Isn't that exactly like what I said? So anyway, what does it mean?
The family night will include a puppet show called Robin Hood and the Dragon, performed by Mike from Applefun Puppetry, some Kahoot trivia, and different activities to show you how to create your very own puppet show. Rex, not now.
Okay, yep, that all sounds great. Merci, Lamb Chop, merci.
No problem. Oh wait, and Vince, one more thing.
Sure, Lamb Chop, what's that?
Live from VPL, it's a puppet extravaganza!